Picked this up the other day after the heat we've been having here in Sydney, so I thought I'd get one of these. The Ryobi hybrid fan. Good thing about this is it runs off battery and it runs off electricity, so I don't have to worry about running out of battery charge on a hot day. And that's it, that's all you get in the box. That. And the instruction manual. That's all you get. So look, we got a 6-year warranty, 3 speeds, power and cordless. It's pretty good. So I'll mount this here in the garage. Something important that I looked at was the speeds. So 1015 RPM, 1665 RPM, and 2000 RPM. 1.8 kilos. It's pretty good. And I think it's said somewhere that it's got like 29 hours on low, which is great. So if you've got a 4 milliamp battery in here, you'd run it for about 29 hours. It's plenty. So rotate. Oh, okay, there you go. Oh, I like this. So mount it 4 ways. That's really good. I'll stick a battery in there and see how we go. I'll stick this 1.5 amp battery in just to see it work. So that's on 3, 2. That's pretty quiet. I mean, even on 1, that's quite comfortable for me to work in here, do some soldering, work on the car. What I like about it is, because it's battery operated, I can, if I'm underneath the car doing an oil change or brakes or something, I can just put it right next to me, keep me cool. And then I can mount it using these, I don't know what they call them, keyhole mounting points. I can mount this vertically so it can blow air from up above down on my work area. Move it in the house if I need to dry something, dry some carpet. Quite often the cat makes a mess of the carpet, so what I do is I use a steam cleaner. This will help dry out the carpet as well. That's on 2. 3, and it's pretty good. And off. Oh, I'm so glad I got that. One thing I noticed as well in the brochure, on the internet where I was looking, is these here, they mount on a cord or a fence, one of those mesh fences. So great if you're on a job site or something like that. Perfect. Happy with that. One thing I forgot to mention was the model number, RHF18. So there it is there. So I was mentioning earlier in the brochure that they mount it on a, see if I can get some lighting in here. They mount it on a fence. It's pretty good. So if you do it like that, you see it there. That's exactly what I was after. And here's some stats if you want to pause the screen. Here's another view of the two power sources. Just plug him in. Very good. Still quiet, very quiet. Surprised. Are you pushing out quite a bit of air?